Car insurance is a crucial aspect of vehicle ownership in the United States, providing financial protection and ensuring compliance with the law. Each state has its own set of minimum car insurance requirements that drivers must meet. In this article, we will explore the minimum car insurance requirements in the USA, helping you understand the legal obligations associated with owning and operating a vehicle. State-by-state variations. It's important to note that car insurance requirements vary from state to state. While some states have specific minimum coverage limits, others operate under a no-fault insurance system or have alternative requirements. It's essential to familiarize yourself with the specific requirements in the state where you reside or plan to drive. Liability insurance. Liability insurance is the most common form of coverage required in almost all states. It protects you financially if you cause an accident and are held responsible for property damage or injuries to others. Liability coverage typically consists of two components. Bodily injury liability. This coverage pays for medical expenses, rehabilitation costs, and potential legal expenses associated with injuries to other parties involved in an accident caused by you. Property damage liability. This coverage pays for the repair or replacement costs of other people's property damaged in an accident you caused, such as their vehicle or other structures. Minimum coverage limits. State-mandated minimum coverage limits specify the minimum amount of liability insurance you must have. These limits are typically expressed as three numbers, such as 25/50/25. The first number represents the maximum amount, in thousands of dollars, the insurance company will pay for bodily injury per person. The second number represents the maximum amount for bodily injury per accident, and the third number represents the maximum amount for property damage per accident. Additional coverage options. While liability insurance is the primary requirement in most states, it's important to consider additional coverage options to protect yourself and your vehicle. Although not mandatory, these options can provide valuable financial security. Collision coverage. This coverage pays for repairs to your vehicle if it is damaged in a collision, regardless of fault. Comprehensive coverage. This coverage pays for damages to your vehicle resulting from non-collision incidents such as theft, vandalism, or natural disasters. Uninsured/underinsured motorist coverage. This coverage protects you if you are involved in an accident with a driver who does not have insurance or has insufficient coverage to compensate for your damages or injuries. Conclusion. Understanding the minimum car insurance requirements in the USA is crucial for legal compliance and financial protection. While liability insurance is mandatory in nearly all states, it's important to research and adhere to the specific requirements of your state. Additionally, considering additional coverage options can provide you with enhanced protection and peace of mind. To ensure you have the appropriate coverage, consult with an insurance professional, compare quotes from different insurers, and make an informed decision based on your individual needs and circumstances. By meeting the minimum requirements and securing adequate coverage, you can drive with confidence, knowing you are protected on the road.